All right, so I wanted to do a quick update on the beta test right now. So we updated, instead of having it be a top bar menu where you click, it's actually a sidebar panel here. Everything looks a bit more smooth on here on the layout, and so obviously you're gonna, you can import. I don't know. This isn't a live version, so it's not going to connect to any of the APIs that I have set up, but this is just off my local index here. So it's not going to necessarily work. Maybe it will. Let's see. And so I didn't feed it a resume just yet, but once you do, you can just, we can feed it. We'll feed it one real quick for this short video. And let's see. Feed it this resume. And we're going to do resume and cover letter. That's weird that that button wasn't working. So that's something to note. Like I said, this is not a live version, so it may not actually populate because it's not connected to any of the APIs. But essentially, it'll search for the jobs, and then you'll see them populate here. And then you can go and see your resumes, and then they'll populate here after you tailor them. And this is a LinkedIn profile optimizer. I'm going to actually have the LinkedIn button put here. I haven't done it yet, but so you can update your LinkedIn profile based off the jobs that you're applying to, so that it matches, what you're doing. So when the employer goes to look at your resume and see your LinkedIn profile, they see that it matches what they want. And then the bulk apply, I'm gonna have this this feature only open to the complete subscription when it's ready. But it'll just be like, so you can bulk apply multiple resumes at the same time. And it'll generate 5, up to 5 or 3 to 5 tailored resumes.